I can't even get this to come on there. Come on. Hit the red button. Hit the red button. Hit the red button below. Hey faves, welcome back. Living for the City. I am Cherise, and you know what time it is. It is time for our usual. I feel like the camera is off. Am I in the middle of the screen? I don't know. I feel like you're kind of off a little bit. For those of you that are new here, hey, welcome to the show. And for those of you that are regulars and this is not your first time here, hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. It is time for our monthly unboxing of our Birchbox. Hey. You're probably wondering what the heck I have on my face this time. And listen, first of all, I want to say this. Like, if nothing else, after this COVID-19 is out and we're back out, we may be 20 pounds heavier, but we're going to have some soft and supple skin. Ladies, raise your hand if you feel me. Because all I'm doing is I'm around here just doing all kind of masks. My skin is going to be right and tight, okay? And we're going to talk about that today. The mask that I have on my face right now is probably one of the best masks I think I've used in a very long time. The best. It is by Huxley. It is Secret of Sahara. It's a glow and brightness mask, okay? And so I got this in a Birchbox, but I've been holding on to it because I was like, oh, that looks so fancy. From the sound of it, it was just so fancy. And the packaging was so beautiful. And it's a two-step process. And so the actual mask came in a package inside of this package. It was in another plastic package, and it says it's a unique dual pouch facial sheet mask. You know, I love a facial sheet mask that combines prickly pear seed oil and a watery essence that soothes and helps to reveal a clear and radiant complexion. How to use: you have to fold the bottom of the pouch 3 times, okay? So when you fold the bottom of the pouch, this it pops. It's so cool. It pops and it pushes the oil into like the watery essence, and it turns like a milky color, and you have to like massage it into the sheet mask, and then you put the sheet mask on, and you have to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. And so we're almost at the 20-minute mark. I've been playing around, just you know, playing around the house and getting set up for you. So anyway, it feels good. I like the actual mask itself because it doesn't slip and slide. You know, sometimes they slip and slide all over your face when you're talking. You're not really supposed to be talking when you have these. You're supposed to be relaxing, right? But y'all know me, so I'm always talking, but it feels so good. It's like so soft. The actual mask itself is soft, and then the prickly pear seed oil, it feels really yummy on my skin. So I'm excited to see what this does afterwards. But again, I got this from Birchbox. Here's our Birchbox for the month, so let's open this up. I did get a chance to pick this one, so I'm excited. So I did pick this one myself. I don't remember what it is. I never remember. Here's our Birchbox. I hope I'm not flashing, y'all. I'm trying to move my, there we go. I was sitting on my house room. And so this is our Birchbox for the month, and inside we have, what's in here? Oh. Here's all the goodies that we got inside, okay? Very springy. The box is very springy. I'm loving it. So this was a makeup favorites. Make your eyes, lip, and cheeks pop. So that's what I picked this month. I could probably do a full face with this, huh? What do you think? All right, so let's dig in. First up is Woman Founded Benefit Cosmetic. I love Benefit. I mean, does anybody else love Benefit as much as I do? It is a Hoola bronzer. Sweep this matte bronzer all over to add a subtle warmth to your complexion, or apply it just to the hollows of your cheeks to define. And, ooh, this is nice. Oh, look at that bronzer. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice little bronzer. Okay, all right, Benefit. All right. Next up, by Phase Zero, is Blusher in Cotton Candy. I'm not sure what this is. So this is a blend the silky cotton candy pink blush onto the apples of your cheeks for a natural looking flush, adding more of a greater pop of color. Well, the packaging is everything. I'll tell you that. That is some sexy, sexy packaging. I'll tell you that much. Oh, that's interesting. Look at the color of that. That's actually a very pretty color. Now, this won't work on us brown girls. You can see that. I'm loving the packaging. I might use this as something on my eyes though. You know what I mean? Or a little highlighter or something. I'm digging that just because. Okay, next up, this is the first time sampling this by Ibby, or is it IB Beauty? City Limits, it's an eyeshadow in Nightfall. Okay, now just so you know, I'm gonna link below, I always do this for you, I'll link below all of the products and the full price of them, and then I will also give you a link so that you can get your own Birchbox. Listen, another sexy little packaging. Look at that cute little packaging. Isn't that cute? Ooh, okay, I'm digging this one. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, this is sexy. Here's another one. Champagne color eyeshadow is infused with rose hip seed oil, known to reduce the look of fine lines. Rose hip seed oil. I don't know why I smelled that. Next up, first time sampling by Manna Cosmetic. It's a lip tint. Lip tint in Aura. Great alone or on top of your favorite lipstick. This hydrating glossy tint gives your lips a hint of sheer pink color that shines. I like it. Manna Kadar. Love it. Last but not least is an Xtension by Marcelle. Xtension Plus Curl Mascara. This mascara uniquely shaped wand is designed to hug your eye's natural curve so it can reach every lash with its curling and lengthening formula. Love it. Curling and lengthening mascara. Nice. This was a good package. So we got a whole face here, literally. So we got bronzer, we got blush, eyeshadow, lip, tint, and gloss, and mascara. I'm gonna try and do a full face with this. What y'all think? I can do it. Because listen, since I'm working from home, as we all are, we're doing Zoom meetings or whatever, and so I still gotta put something on my face, right? So I don't wanna scare everybody on my Zoom meeting. So I can totally use these to this full face right here, so I can take a Zoom meeting, because it's like, you know, it'll be natural and very low key. So the other thing that I got recently was, I got some new, oh God, I'm flashing. Okay, I got some new face products for cleansing and moisturizing. I ran out of my old, I didn't run out. I'm almost running out of my previous facial cleanser. I already ran out of moisturizer. So I got this all natural from Black and Green. Y'all know I love Black and Green. Link is down in the description box if you want to try Black and Green by Jacq. So I got a healing face, I'm sorry, I'm starting to mess with this, sorry. I got a healing face cleanser here. And again, their products are cruelty-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, no parabens, no sulfates. They're all vegan, okay? All of their products. So this is a healing face cleanser with papaya extract and moringa. Oh, I love moringa. So when I put this on, I absolutely love this stuff. It smells, surprisingly enough, it has peppermint in it and eucalyptus oil. So you can really smell and feel it working on the skin, and I absolutely love it. And then along with it, I got a Nourishing face moisturizer with yucca and coconut to hydrate and soothe. Again, no GMOs, no parabens, no sulfates, vegan. This one reminds me of lemongrass. I don't know why it smells like lemon to me, but this is the moisturizer, and then this is the healing face cleanser. So this is the cleanser. Now, as you can see how the cleanser is? See how it's like kind of liquidy? You know, I'm having trouble using it. So I'm washing my face and I spritz it onto my hand, but because it's liquid, I'm having trouble. Like, I can get it on and I feel it lathering up a little bit, but I'm not really sure if it says it's supposed to lather. Wet, massage into wet skin, work into a lather, inhale the aroma and rinse. I'm telling you, it's amazing. To refresh and purify. So what I thought to myself was, there has to be another way. Maybe there's something that you can use to get it going. And I thought of this recently I got this cool little facial cleansing brush, and it was literally still in the box. I got it for Christmas actually, and I've never used it because I just haven't had time. But since Corona has taken over, I have all the time in the world now, don't I? Okay. Anyway, so I got this really cool cleansing tool here. It's a cleansing brush that I really don't even know how to use. So I literally opened it up, pulled out the instructions, which there's not much to the instructions because I got it off of Amazon. And it came with brushes. So it came with several brushes. They don't even tell you what kind of brushes it comes with. It comes with this little spongy thing. Not sure what this is for, so you guys are gonna have to help me out here. Like, what is this little thing for? I don't know. It came with like a pumice stone, because you can use this for the face or the body. So I get this piece of it, pumice stone. Okay. It came with like a this kind of brush. It's like plastic but soft, so I don't know. And then these, I'm guessing, are actually facial for the face, right? These two have to be for the face. They have to be for the face. So you take off the little thing here, you put on one of the attachments here, and you go to work, right? Maybe. Yeah. So I figured I'd use this. What do y'all think? Right? Crap. Yeah. And it has 3 different modes. So I can do daily, which is like, you know, slow. Then this one is deep cleaning. No, this one is daily cleaning. That was gentle. This is deep. Okay. So gentle, daily, deep. So I was thinking I could use the daily and use this and kind of work it in, so that might work. And then also it has a light, which I was like, cool beans. So the blue light is for, let me look at my directions here. A little bit of directions I have. Where'd my directions go? Okay, here we go, sorry. The blue light is for acne. And then the red light is for skin firming. So blue is for acne, red is for skin firming. So you just put the product on and you just heat it up with the light, UV light. So it's supposed to be really good for your skin. I don't know. Does anybody use these UV light things? Let me know if you do in the comments. That is how this works. And so I'm thinking that I'm gonna use this brush thingy for my cleanser because I can't get it to lather up really well, and I like a lather. So that is it for our Birchbox for the month. You guys, I have been really impressed with Birchbox, as you know. Shout out to God is the Unique, who won our Birchbox giveaway. She won that last month. So excited for her. I hope she likes it. She told me that she would let me know once she gets her Birchbox and she uses it. She's gonna let us know how she likes it. She's gonna love it, I already know. If you would also like to get your own Birchbox, you can do so in the description box below. I have a link for you to get your own Birchbox. And, oh, this is ready to come off. Click that description box below. While you're down there clicking, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Turn it from red to gray. That's what I want you to do. Turn it from red to gray. Hit the red button, hit the red button, hit the red button below, and become a Philly fave. Listen, once coronavirus is done, we're gonna be back out in the city, okay? We're gonna be back out there. And don't worry, we're gonna be back. In the meantime, hang out with me here. Hang out with me here, seriously. Hit that red button below. You can also follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. You guys, I want you to all stay safe. Stay safe, please. Stay safe out there, and try your best not to go out. I don't know if you've been going out. I'm trying my best not to go out. I don't know if you saw my last video. I went out a couple times in the city just to do some shopping, and it was horrid. That's it, babes. I'm gonna go and take this mask off. Then I'm gonna put some serum on, and then I'm gonna put my moisturizer on, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Okay. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you all. Please be safe and practice your social distancing, and so that I can see you here next week. Bye. I just took that mask off. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this glow? I look like I just jumped out of a oil pool though. I don't know, I think I like it. And I put it all over my hands too. I like put it all over my neck and chest and my hands and arms. I've gotta buy this again. How much is this?